Fooocus. Goodbye to photo editing programs thanks to AI. Use it for free and without installation with this simple course. To produce images with artificial intelligence, Fooocus uses generative diffusion models, which are generative models that do not intervene directly on the individual pixels, but use a series of iterative steps to update and gradually integrate the image. In each step, the model diffuses the information through the image, activating itself to develop a progressive representation of it. Fooocus not only allows you to generate images with artificial intelligence, but also allows you to modify existing photos, obtaining exceptional results. Although it is possible to do so, it is not strictly necessary to enter long and complicated descriptive prompts in the type prompt here, or paste parameters field. By entering simple words separated by commas, Fooocus will use a generative model to automatically create a more articulated description. Obviously, if you want to obtain images that can meet stringent requirements, you have to be more precise when entering a prompt. Fooocus, by default, always generates a pair of images from which you can then choose. By clicking on Advanced, however, you can customize this and other parameters. In Advanced, you can see how Fooocus allows you to set the size, resolution of the image to be generated, the preferences related to the processing speed, and the style to use. By default, Fooocus ignores custom styles unless the predefined ones are deactivated. The negative prompt box allows you to specify one or more terms, so as to indicate what you do not want to obtain when creating the image. For example, by specifying B&W, you will be sure to receive only color photos. Resize an image without quality loss. By sending an image to Fooocus, you can increase the size of the photo without losing quality. The application also allows you to double the resolution of the original image, trace human poses, and replace faces. The Pyrocani and CPDS methods allow you to send an image as input and ask, using a prompt, to replace the subject shown in the original photo with another one. For example, by writing woman, Fooocus will imitate the pose of the person depicted in the original image, replacing it with the figure of a woman generated by AI. It is even possible to send an image and specify what you want to obtain to preserve the face of the person depicted in the first photo. With a prompt ad hoc, you can get to the result of face swapping or the replacement of one face with another. In-painting and out-painting Fooocus also allows you to use the in-painting technique to replace specific parts of an image. Using the application's brush to indicate the parts to intervene on, you can obtain improved photos containing completely new elements. Also, in this case, it is eventually possible to combine the use of a prompt. Without painting, on the other hand, it is possible to extend or add content to an image beyond the area originally occupied. Think of a photo that has a reduced resolution and a background that you don't like. With Fooocus, you can ask the AI to automatically generate the missing parts, and much more. If you liked my video, give me a like and click on the bell to stay updated on all the infinite techniques of Fooocus. See you soon.